Hi guys, let's see my prediction in 2026. First one, getting a car crash. Next one, getting fired. Next one, my hand is broke. Next, no job and run away, then cry. I trip over a rock. My girlfriend is mad at me because I have a new girlfriend. I get married from a ghost. Another one again. Cheating again. Being jealous. I am weak. Bonus money. I don't know. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. And the year is 2026. Let's go celebrate my sister. Happy New Year, Cheetos. Happy New Year, Barbie. Okay, that's it for a call. Bye.